Alright guys, we're back. And he's dead. Awesome. Funnily enough guys, you get to see that dead body in the cutscene plus the one they've just added randomly here. So, we'll see. Hold on. In the background you can see it. Oh no. Alright guys, that's it. This Let's Play is over. My Ratchet 3 is broke. I have lost it. Hold on guys. Walking in the way of the camera, yes, that's me. Right. Hello! You are broken on me. Right. Oh look. It's working without audio. Guys, this won't be a Let's Play part. This will just be a merry fail. Oh my god, Ratchet 3 is like the best one. Oh, for the love of fucking god. Number 1 works, number 2 works, Gladiator works, Size Max works, Secret Agent Clank works. So do the fucking PS3 ones, and then this one's broke. Alright guys, I am so sorry about this. The Let's Play's over. Yeah, hello. I'm going to carry on with, well, start Rayman Revolution. I am so sorry guys about this. The Let's Play's on hold, alright? I will carry it on because I do want to do this Let's Play, but that's not happening at the moment. I need to get a new copy. I could probably get one in the next month at the tops. A month at tops, sorry. So I'd say around the 16th of May. Oh gosh. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on Let's Play Rayman Revolution. If that doesn't work, I'll update you. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.